Hi, I'm not Jonathan Frakes, but today let me show you something incredible. It's often the smallest things when reading codes that have the biggest impact on the performance. Scratches on the code or foils pasted over the code. In this case, it's small dust particles which block vital code information and strong box movement which influences the performance. But be aware, myth and reality are often close together, and yet only one can be true. IC890 systems from SICK are used over several years for such applications. Any dust and debris are not a problem, as the camera is not in focus at the position of the mirror. This means due to blurred focus, single dirt parts are not visible at all. Box movement is never an issue for a bottom reading system, as the cameras from below are working with a fixed focus mode. Negative influences on performance due to vibrations were never observed, neither for pure top readings nor for pure bottom readings, and therefore no artifacts were created leading to no reads. As you saw, it's a myth. Neither motion and vibration nor dust and debris influence the performance of an ICR bottom system.